Hello guys and welcome to Android Technology channel. In this video let's unbox the Bose Soundlink 2 and I bought for $235 from USA and in India it will cost you around 19,000 rupees. Now let's have a look on the box. On the front side you have a headphone logo and a Bose logo, and in the bottom you can see the headphone model name. On the other side you can see the Bose logo. This side you can see the details of the headphone and the accessories present inside the box, and on the other side you can see the Bose logo, and on bottom side you can see the barcode and the model name, model number, and inside the box you can see a nice and beautiful Bose logo. And now you can see how to connect the headphone using a app called Bose Connect, or you can connect by using a Bluetooth or NFC. And let's give it aside, and you can see the nice pouch for the headphone. Let's keep it aside, and inside the box and we have the instruction manuals like how to use it and a warranty card. That's it. And now let's open the pouch. And inside the pouch we have a charging cable and an audio cable, and charging cable is a bit shorter. For this you can use an ordinary micro USB cable to charge this, and audio cable, which some of the people don't prefer wireless, so they can use a wired connection using this cable. And it's not a 3.5mm jack, you have to be careful. And at this price point the headphone is very stylish and a nice one, and the audio quality is also very great. At the bottom we have the audio jack port and the volume increasing and decreasing, and the charging port and a microphone and an on-off toggle. It can also be used for Bluetooth, and the headphone can also be increased according to your convenience. And now let's see how to use the wire connection to connect from laptop to headphones. I am using an audio cable to connect to laptop to, and now you can see I am using a wired connection, and which can be controlled by using a headphone also, like volume increasing, decreasing, stop or play. And now let's see the wireless connection using a Bluetooth. So let's on the Bluetooth from the headphones. Now you can see the indication is blinking up, and in the laptop go to Bluetooth and add a Bluetooth device. And it will show you the Bluetooth name, just select it and it will get connected, and now it's connected. And by using the Bluetooth the headphone got connected, and it can also be used for decreasing or increasing the volume and press play like that. and this is the official website for Bose India, and you can find a store by using this website, or you can order by using Amazon or Flipkart. And this headphone is available in two colors, black and white. You can order any color as you like. And now click on find a store and enter your location, and once you entered, you will find the nearby stores which are available this product, or else you can order by using Flipkart or Amazon.
If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and receive the latest updates.